Kinky.
We got through the next stage, but then we couldn't do it because something, you know, went on.
Yeah.
You did Battle of the Bands. I just visited the Battle of the Bands.
Yeah?
Actually. Yeah, it was really nice. Oh, that's a shame.
I wouldn't want it anyway.
But one of them won by a lot just because they
Merry
had a
Christmas.
tackle player.
Alright, well,
Everything
Dito kami kay
Yeah,
ano,
I guess so.
Manang Nancy. Prepare siya sa ano.
Like if you saw the counters for every band.
These are big. Oh, look at the face.
Really big!
The face. Come on, boy. Come on. What is his name?
Kuma.
Come
Kuma.
on.
Oh, he's so big.
Come on, boy.
Come on.
Okay, big man.
Homer. Lee, look at that, oh.
Working in the lab, she doesn't want anything to do with patients.
Yeah. Yeah. So what up?
What? One time we had a
Huh?
Sobrang kalaki. Of Kipling family.
Which camera are we looking at? That one.
Ay!
Ay. Video yata yun, ma.
Ngayon, magluto ako ng sweet and sour na fish. Lutuhin natin muna yung isda. So, ito, ano na to? Luto na. Sunod natin, tuna. Bumili din ako ng tuna. Yan, tuna. So, ito yung mga ingredients ko para sa sauce. Sweet and sour. Ito, vinegar. Saka yung ketchup ko siya, soy sauce and oyster sauce. Instead na mag-ano ako ng sugar, ito na yun yung ano ng pineapple juice ang isahog ko. luto na to. Tanggalin na natin. Tapos, lagyan ko na lang yung vinegar. Tomato ketchup or tomato sauce, I mean. Tapos, lagyan ko ng pandikit. Cornstarch. Tikman natin. So, ilagay na natin ang mga naiprito nating isda. Look at that! Yun yung aking sweet and sour na salmon and tuna. Agoy, kasarap. Naku po, naku po. Kain na tayo nito. Ito yung mga menu nila. So, this is our order. This is, ano nga ito, te? Chicken chow mein. So, and this is sweet chili chicken noodles. Wow, kasarap. This is large. It's daddy. Wow, very nice. Hanggang dito na lang ang video ko. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.